Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I share tips and tools for holistic wellness. Today, I'm going to show you a simple, powerful daily routine that will help you balance your chakras and integrate your shadow self. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. And if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. So, what are chakras and shadow self? Chakras are energy centers in our body that correspond to different aspects of our physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual health. There are 7 main chakras: the root, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown. Each chakra has its own color, element, symbol, and function. When our chakras are balanced, we feel harmonious, vibrant, and aligned with our true self. The shadow self, on the other hand, is the part of us that we repress or deny. It contains our negative emotions, fears, insecurities, traumas, and wounds. The shadow self is not evil or bad. It is simply the unconscious aspect of our personality that we need to acknowledge and integrate. When we embrace our shadow self, we become more authentic, compassionate, and whole. So how can we balance our chakras and integrate our shadow selves into our daily routine? Well, I have created a simple how-to toolkit that you can follow along with me. It consists of 4 parts: morning energizer and reflections, midday maintenance and mindfulness, evening elevation, and nighttime nurturing. Each part has several steps that target specific chakras and shadow elements. You don't need any special equipment or skills to do this routine. All you need is some time, space, and intention. 1. Let's start with the morning energizer and reflections. This part will help you awaken with awareness, ground with the root chakra, journal light and dark aspects of your life, and splash your sacral chakra with water. The first step is to start your day with a 5-minute meditation, focusing on your breathing. Let any thoughts or feelings arise naturally. Meditation is a great way to calm your mind, connect with your body, and tune into your inner wisdom. You can use any meditation app or technique that works for you. I like to use this one, which guides you through a simple breathing exercise. The second step is to ground the root chakra. The root chakra is located at the base of your spine and is associated with the color red, the element earth, and the symbol of a 4-petaled lotus. The root chakra represents our foundation, stability, security, and survival. When it is balanced, we feel safe, supported, and confident. To ground with the root chakra, stand barefoot on the earth, or on a mat if you're indoors, envisioning the earth's energy rising to your root chakra. As this connection solidifies, affirm, "I am grounded. I am secure." You can also use this mantra, which resonates with the root chakra's vibration. The third step is to journal the light and dark aspects of your life. Grab a journal, or any notebook, and a pen. On one page, note what you're grateful for. On the opposite page, detail something challenging from the previous day. This practice acknowledges both the positive and negative aspects of your life and helps you appreciate what you have and learn from what you don't. The fourth step is to splash your sacral chakra with water. The sacral chakra is located below your navel and is associated with the color orange, the element water, and the symbol of a 6-petaled lotus. The sacral chakra represents our creativity, emotion, desire, and pleasure. When it is balanced, we feel passionate, joyful, and expressive. To splash your sacral chakra with water during your shower, focus the water on your lower abdomen, imagining it energizing your sacral chakra. Affirm, "I embrace my desires and creativity." You can also use this sound, which harmonizes with the sacral chakra's frequency. The last step of the morning part is to declare aloud, "I acknowledge all parts of me. Each has its lesson and purpose." This affirmation helps you accept yourself as a whole being, including your shadow self. That's it for the morning energizer and reflections. You can do this part in about 15 minutes or less, depending on how long you meditate or shower. You can also customize it according to your preferences or needs. The important thing is to do it consistently every morning and notice how it affects your mood and energy throughout the day. 2. Now let's move on to midday maintenance and mindfulness. This part will help you track your triggers, sunbathe your solar plexus chakra, practice mindful moments, and breathe with your heart chakra. The first step is to keep a trigger tracker. A trigger is anything that causes a strong emotional reaction in you, either positive or negative. It could be a person, a situation, a word, a memory, or anything else. Triggers are often linked to our shadow self, as they reveal our unresolved issues or hidden aspects. By tracking our triggers, we can identify patterns or themes that we need to work on or heal. To keep a trigger tracker, carry a pocket diary, or use your phone, and note down any triggers that you encounter during the day. Write down what triggered you, how you felt, and how you reacted. You don't have to analyze or judge anything. Just observe and record. You can review your trigger tracker later and look for any insights or connections. The second step is to sunbathe your solar plexus chakra. The solar plexus chakra is located above your navel and is associated with the color yellow, the element fire, and the symbol of a 10-petaled lotus. The solar plexus chakra represents our personal power, will, confidence, and self-esteem. When it is balanced, we feel empowered, strong, and assertive. To sunbathe your solar plexus chakra, find some sunlight, or use a lamp if you're indoors, and let your solar plexus soak it in, visualizing a strengthening of your internal power. Affirm, I am empowered. I am strong. You can also use this music, which aligns with the solar plexus chakra's tone. The third step is to practice mindful moments. Mindfulness is the state of being present and aware of what is happening in the here and now, without judgment or attachment. Mindfulness helps us calm our mind, reduce stress, and increase focus. It also helps us reflect on our triggers or reactions and understand them better. To practice mindful moments during solitary times, such as a commute, a lunch break, or a walk, reflect on any triggers or strong reactions that you experienced. Try to connect them to past events or memories that may have influenced them. For example, if you felt angry when someone criticized you, you may realize that it reminded you of how your parents used to scold you when you were a child. This awareness can help you heal your wounds and change your patterns. The fourth step is to breathe with your heart chakra. The heart chakra is located at the center of your chest and is associated with the color green, the element air, and the symbol of a 12-petaled lotus. The heart chakra represents our love, compassion, empathy, and forgiveness. When it is balanced, we feel loving, peaceful, and connected to others. To breathe with your heart chakra, find a quiet spot, place a hand over your heart, and visualize a green energy surrounding your chest. With each exhale, release negativity. Affirm, I give and receive love freely. You can also use this chant, which resonates with the heart chakra's sound. That's it for midday maintenance and mindfulness. You can do this part in about 10 minutes or less, depending on how long you have for yourself. You can also adjust it according to your schedule or situation. The important thing is to do it regularly every day and notice how it affects your emotions and relationships throughout the day. 3. Now let's move on to the evening elevation and nighttime nurturing. This part will help you tea time your throat chakra, dim down your third eye chakra, confront and comfort your shadow self, and meditate with your crown chakra. The first step is to tea time your throat chakra. The throat chakra is located at the base of your throat and is associated with the color blue, the element ether, and the symbol of a 16-petaled lotus. The throat chakra represents communication, expression, truth, and listening. When it is balanced, we speak our truth, listen attentively, and express ourselves clearly. To tea time your throat chakra, sip on calming teas, such as chamomile or lavender, visualizing a blue light at your throat, aiding in clear communication. Whisper, I speak my truth. I listen. You can also use a song, which harmonizes with the throat chakra's frequency. The second step is to dim down your third eye chakra. The third eye chakra is located between your eyebrows and is associated with the color indigo, the element light, and the symbol of a two-petaled lotus. The third eye chakra represents our intuition, vision, insight, and wisdom. When it is balanced, we trust our intuition, see clearly, and have a higher perspective. To dim down your third eye chakra, dim the lights, reduce screen time, and focus on your third eye chakra. Visualize an indigo light guiding your intuition. Affirm, I trust my intuition. I see clearly. You can also use this video, which aligns with the third eye chakra's tone. The third step is to confront and comfort your shadow self. This is a powerful practice that helps you heal and integrate your shadow self. It involves reflecting on the most impactful emotion or trigger from your day and mentally soothing this feeling as if comforting a child. To confront and comfort your shadow self, find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and bring to mind the emotion or trigger that affected you the most today. Feel it in your body, and notice where it is located. Then, imagine that this emotion or trigger is a child that needs your love and care. Talk to this child in a gentle and compassionate way, acknowledging their pain and validating their feelings. Ask them what they need from you, and give it to them. For example, if they need a hug, hug them. If they need an apology, apologize to them. If they need a promise, make one. Keep talking to them until they feel calm and safe. The fourth step is to meditate with your crown chakra. The crown chakra is located at the top of your head and is associated with the color violet or white, the element thought, and the symbol of a 1,000-petaled lotus. The crown chakra represents our connection to the universe, our spirituality, our enlightenment, and our transcendence. When it is balanced, we feel one with the universe, we have a sense of purpose, and we access our highest potential. To meditate with your crown chakra, as you're settling in for the night, visualize a vibrant violet or white light above your head. Whisper, I am one with the universe. You can also use this meditation, which resonates with the crown chakra's sound. The last step of the evening part is to do a releasing ritual. This is a symbolic way of letting go of any negative emotions or energies that you don't want to carry over to the next day. It also helps you accept and integrate whatever happened during the day. To do a releasing ritual, write down a strong emotion from the day on paper, such as anger, fear, sadness, or guilt, and either safely burn it or tear it up, symbolizing release and acceptance. You can also say something like, I release this emotion with love and gratitude. That's it for the evening elevation and nighttime nurturing. You can do this part in about 15 minutes or less, depending on how long you meditate or write. You can also modify it according to your preferences or needs. The important thing is to do it consistently every night and notice how it affects your sleep and dreams. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this quick how-to toolkit for balancing your chakras and integrating your shadow self. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me how this routine works for you. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Thank you for watching. Namaste.